Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you ready to level up your Excel game? Get ready to master one of Excel's most powerful functions, TEXTJOIN. Before we jump in, let's understand what TEXTJOIN can do for you. TEXTJOIN comes to combining text from different cells. Whether you're creating lists, summaries, or reports, TEXTJOIN has got your back. Let's take a look at this dataset. We have the names of employees, their departments, and their salaries. Let's put TEXTJOIN to merge this information. Let's break it down. Delimiter. This is the text you want to insert between each piece of information you're combining. In our case, we want commas to separate the names, department, and salary, so use comma in between double inverted comma. Ignore underscore empty. This is a true, false value. If set to true, it will exclude any empty cells from the final output. Text1. This is the first cell you want to include in the join text. Here, it's B3, first name. Text2, 3. These are additional cells you want to combine. We'll use C3, department, and D3, salary. Instead, you can select range. And just like that, we've merged the names, departments, and salaries into a single summary. But TEXTJOIN doesn't stop there. It's also smart enough to ignore empty cells, making it perfect for dynamic datasets. And that wraps up our tutorial on TEXTJOIN. Until next time, happy excelling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.